How to load the 3 and 5 liter HP carton-based ink cartridges on the HP PageWide XL Pro printer series.
To begin, use the front panel and click the ink button. Next, press the replace button.
Squeeze the container hub, pull it out, and push it aside. Remove the old ink cartridge. Place the new ink cartridge on a flat surface. Turn it 4 times to mix the ink. Push down the first tab and fold it inwards, then pull the other tab down.
Finally, remove the last piece of cardboard by pulling down. Make sure to pull and remove the cap.
Insert the new ink cartridge into the empty slot.
Check that the rubber part around the container's needle is clean.
Connect the container hub to the ink cartridge.
When you're finished, go to the front panel and click Finish and Check.
The HP ink cartridge is now installed. You can now use the printer.